So after Mumbai by express highway, they have to go to Pune. And there are two connections, one is Pune Solapur and Pune Kolhapur. And after that you can go up to Chennai, Bangalore, Kochi, everywhere in Hyderabad in the south. But today we have taken a decision that all north traffic starts from Delhi. It only going up to Surat by express highway. There is a connectivity for Surat from express highway, and by which from Surat to Nasik, Nasik to Ahmednagar, and Ahmednagar to Solapur, by which it will be directly go to Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore and Kochi. So this is going, these are the access control road. So there will be no problem. And also the one of the reasons which is important for your business, that you are making the tonnage of 2,50,000 crores. So because of this tunnel also it will be easy for you to transport heavy goods. So exactly the change in road sector is very much helpful for all of you. The most important thing where I will request you regarding the fuel. The diesel and petrol is the fuel which is depending upon our imports. And our imports now, because of the heavy rate of crude oil, it comes to 16 lakh crores. But that is not only economically problem, but the most important problem is related with the pollution. So this is the time that we need to think on the line that import substitute, cost effective, pollution free and indigenous. On the basis of that, I will request you, all of you, that you try to convert your trucks, heavy trucks, into LNG, electric, methanol, bio-CNG or bio-LNG, or even you can convert into green hydrogen. Now I have got the car which is running on green hydrogen. The hydrogen from the coal, it is black hydrogen. Hydrogen from crude oil, petroleum products, that is to be brown hydrogen. And the green hydrogen is from water. Now our plan is to make the rate of green hydrogen per kg 70 rupees, 80 rupees, $1 per kg. And it gives the average of 400 kilometers for the car. So sewage water can be used, and the most important thing is the power. So we can use the solar power in it, the 70% cost in the power, and we can make it hydrogen from that electrolyzer. And by electrolyzer, whatever hydrogen we will get it, green hydrogen, we will pressurize it for 500 bar. That can be with the generator on ethanol, bioethanol. So now this is the future. The futuristic technology in the transport sector is very important. Now our planning is to make e-highway from Delhi to Mumbai as e-highway. Just like trolley bus, you can trust trolley trucks also. Now I know that I have received the invitation from the Volvo to start their big truck trailer on LNG. So LNG is the fuel for the future. If you are spending 100 rupees on diesel, for LNG the cost will come to 40 rupees, and for CNG it comes to 55 rupees. From hydrogen, green hydrogen, it will come to 20 rupees, and from electric it comes to 50 rupees. Now there is a lot of changes, lot of people are doing on different technology, not only on lithium-ion battery, but now we can make sodium-ion, zinc-ion, steel-ion battery. And once I visited here in the Faridabad in Indian Oil Laboratory, research laboratory, they have invented an aluminum air technology. And now it is the futuristic technology for transport. So I feel that even in Hajiara, one of the companies making trailer trucks on LNG. So I feel that it is the appropriate thing for all of you. It is cost saving. It is economically viable, it is import substitute and pollution free. And pollution is a big concern. Even as a transport minister in road construction, I am already requesting the people or heavy industries, which machinery we are using in construction equipment, or convert into ethanol, methanol, biodiesel, bio-LNG, bio-CNG, electric and hydrogen. So this is the future. Regarding your problems, we are already aware about it because to get permission, there is a lot of corruption. Our motto is to how we can make the system free from the corruption. It should be transparent, digitalized system by which you can get all type of permits. But fortunately, the subject is in the concurrent list. The state government and central government both are responsible for that. In many of the things, when I try my level best, I need cooperation from the state government. Without that, it will be difficult for me to implement the law. By new Motor Vehicle Act, we have introduced a lot of new things. Motor Vehicle Act, we have introduced a lot of new things. But because of the concurrent list, because there are in our constitution, there are three lists. One is central list, where the federal government is supposed to make the law. Then state list, where state government are supposed to make the law. And the concurrent list, where the state and central government both can make the laws. Now the problem is that I know that you are facing problem with the state government because of the RTO departments, inspection, getting permission for everything. This process is really very problematic, complicated, and creating more corruption. So that's the reason that we need to have a digitalized system. The NIC head is here. And our plan is to make everything digitalized, transparent, time-bound, result-oriented, and corruption-free. So this is exactly the mind of the government, that how we can going to make reform for that. And this is really one of the important reform, which is very important for our industry. Because we are the fastest growing economy in the world. And that is the reason that we need to have all type of effective transport system. Now in the road sector, we are making precast mandatory. So by which we need to take the heavy, big structures from one place to another. We have just decided to make this ROB of 16,000 crore. We have just started the scheme. And where we are going to make everything precast. So exactly that we need to transport of the material, where we need your help. So this is the time for industry, for the country, which is the fastest growing economy, and where dream is to make India Atmanirbhar Bharat, the dream of our Prime Minister, and make the economy of $5 trillion. So my request is, when you go to all these automobile manufacturers, please insist them for making alternative fuels. It is cost effective, pollution free, and indigenous. So I feel that it is really important for all of you. And now, because of insurance and some of the problems are there already, I just listened to the speeches of the concerning authorities. So my suggestion is, give the details to me. I will make it verification from my officers. Already our joint DG is present here. So we will make the research and study of it. Whatever the things are logically correct, we will do it. And which we are not convinced by it, we immediately reject it. And we are not going to do it. But we are transparent, time-bound, result-oriented, and corruption-free. We seriously consider your valuable suggestions for reform. And exactly all efforts to make transparent, time-bound, result-oriented, and corruption-free digitalized system for all of you. That is exactly the mission for all of us. I am really happy to come here. Already one last point where I will request you regarding road safety. You should be very cautious about it. Now, one of your office bearer was suggesting me that you should fine for heavy loaded truck where there is a violation. You should charge the owner of material also. But then I asked him the question, why you are taking it? तुम लालची बनते हो और हमें ठेके So that will not be correct. We will charge you, we will punish you. Without that you can't understand, because there is a problem. कानून के प्रति सम्मान भी नहीं और डर भी नहीं. So somewhere it is the duty of every stakeholders to, with a responsible approach, to obey the law. And that is exactly we are expecting from you. And I am confident that with your cooperation and cooperation of all stakeholders, we will increase the business volume. We will give the more facility to you for your business. We will make it transport available on the ports, and even in the railway also. We will try to find out the way out that how it can be possible for it, because in power sector, in the big machinery, the transport is very important. And that's the reason that we are making green express highways, 4-lane roads, the bridges. The bridges having already bridges, they have capability of heavy load. We are making tunnels because your transport on the hill area is very difficult. But by the tunnel, it can be easy for you to get the all type of heavy machinery there by using your transport. So I am really happy that this is one of the important things for the country for the development. Because without reducing logistic cost and availability of good transport system for heavy machinery, without that we cannot make the progress. Because in the hydro projects, in the thermal power projects, everywhere we need transport of heavy goods. And that is the need of the country. And I feel that your role is very, very equally important, because your role is helping the country for development or increasing growth rate. And by increasing growth rate, we are going to increase more employment potential. And that's the reason that we will increase our growth rate, GDP. You can open your centers for that. It can be good because road safety is very important. We need trained drivers. Then another problem is our drivers are working 24 hours. Even the European countries in the USA, they are working only for 12 hours, 8 hours. So somewhere you need to find out some way out that because of that the drivers are facing crucial problems. Somewhere in the interest of the profession, in the interest of the industry, we are inviting some good suggestions from your side. In the interest of the society, in the interest of the development, in the interest of the country. I know that no philosophy can be taught to a businessman. Every businessman has started his business for getting more profits. So it is no problem. It is legal and fair. But at the same time, the ethics are equally important in the business. By making good money, you should have your professional ethics about the business. There is competition. But regarding road accident, we are facing really big problem. We have 5 lakhs accidents and 1,50,000 deaths. And that is exactly India is the highest in the world. Khan is also the member of Road Safety Committee. And we are taking big initiatives that how we can protect the life of the people. The Tamil Nadu government has successfully implemented the experiment by World Bank. World Bank and Tamil Nadu government, they reduced the road accidents and death by 50% in Tamil Nadu. But with the cooperation of all the stakeholders, my aim is to reduce the road accident and death of the people. We are now making a lot of changes in our course as far as the automobile manufacturing is concerned. And at the same time, the people like you who can cooperate, really it can be a great thing for the country and for the society. It's really a happy thing for me to interact with you. I am giving my all best wishes to Hydraulic Tailor Owners Association. I will request all of you to give me in details regarding all your problems related with my ministry and some of the problem where you are facing troubles in some state also. Give it to me. I will forward my copy to CBI and ED also to make the inquiry for that. System, transparent, time out, result oriented and corruption. Once again, I am giving my all best wishes to all of you for completing 15 years successfully. I am giving my all best wishes to all stakeholders and members. God bless you. Thank you very much.